Hi guys. My dad said that we are allowed to play here tonight.
Which one is Dylan? Nah, just kidding. The tight ass is Dylan.
Very excited to be here.
Yes.
See a lot of real filthy looking people out there in the audience tonight. I wouldn't have it any
All
other
right.
way.
How about them Tigers?
Let's do it. Yo, oh boy, I'm just a young man riding on the subway. And you want a clean and efficient ride, you're at the mercy of the MTA. Oh, I can see you can see me crying across the car. Counting down the days till you die must be from the bar. Well, if you want to be happy, worry, carefree, don't you look at me. It's an unspoken rule, though it's unfair and cruel. I say, don't you look at me. Oh, I was riding glad and time biting. I know you gave me my view. Oh, you were young and small, so unscathed by all your life has in store for you. Well, I was troubled by the stubble on your skinny face when I saw you all alone. I can't believe I ever made the great mistake of looking at it from my phone. But if you wanna be filthy, unkempt, or unclean, be solitary. No, don't you touch your thing, be like a plastic thing, or you'll become the contrary. Don't. And do we have is it time for bribes yet? So, we brought a bribe for the judges, and I'm gonna give you a hint. Do we have to put it in that bag or we put it there?
You bribe us, they don't count.
Oh, they don't count as judges. So, we have a bribe and it rhymes with cock.
Get all excited out there, huh?
This is from a New York City subway tunnel, and when I saw it, I said, this looks kind of sexy, so I put it in lipstick and eyeliner.
It's a sexual gift.
It's a sexual gift for the judges. If you're turned on by this, raise your hand. There we
Oh,
go.
I'm seeing a lot out there, folks.
Great.
Some real fucking freaks.
Yep. That's actually Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson.
Did I just hear the word vagina?